Yo, today is September 22nd. It's 8:40 p.m. Had a long ass day, bro. I had class, work, everything, and I just got home. And guess what? Bella's been home since 6:30. She decides to shower now, right? Right? Makes sense. But today we took a trade while at the JOB, and smacky bonds. We profited 370 across two accounts, so 740 on the day. Today, oh shit, I didn't load it up. But today was a no news Monday. Orange folder doesn't really count, and it's what kind of the kind of orange folder it is also doesn't count. So didn't plan on trading evals today. This was a B plus setup. We can see it right here. I'll show you the executions on micros shortly. But let's get into this trade. So coming into the day, originally I was bullish. Why was I bullish? If we see this 15-minute candle closure, we inversed all of these gaps, whatever, this gap, back to the upside. The hourly was about to get inversed as well. All of these, this hourly was about to shift completely. 4-hour time frame, bullish. Again, hourly time frame, bullish. Pretend like this one is the last one. Well, actually, we were a little bit bearish, but we were like strongly going up, which is why I was bullish, especially in the 15-minute. The 15-minute was kind of like essentially my condition for it. It was this gap specifically. I wanted us to hold this gap. And if this gap held, then I felt as though we were going to be bullish and target London highs, which we held the gap and we displayed strongly above. So that to me coming into market open was bullish. We then open up, we run a London high. Once we run London high, we'll leave behind this 5-minute gap. And this 5-minute gap we tag into right here. As you can see, it was this 5-minute gap. When we tag into this 5-minute gap, oh snap, where'd it go? When we tag into this 5-minute gap, we leave a 1 minute right here. Right as the gap opens, we leave a beautiful 1 minute. Strong ass displacement candle. I honestly thought we were going to get it on this candle, but we failed to. Next candle kind of made me lose a little bit of like, I guess you could say hope, but you know, I thought this shit was still going to play out because it was essentially a doji almost. And then we didn't deliver. Next candle we do deliver. And I believe this is at my exact buy-in point almost. Nah, it's on minis I have it. I mean, micros I have it on my exact buy-in point. But we close right here. Market order. My fill was probably like right here. And yeah, it hits. We took off 5 cons at Asia high, and then here's why I fucked up. I moved my stop right here below midnight open. I should have moved my stop under this 1 minute gap. That's why I fucked up. I focused on the dollar amount opposed to what is actually given to me on the chart. So for that specific reason is why I got tagged out, and then price immediately runs to where my FTSE would have been, which is all-time highs, and that's my fault. I can't focus on the dollar amount. This shit isn't about being attached to the dollar amount. I should have done what is shown, what is given. Oh, also, we had equal highs as an excellent break-even point, which just added more confluence to trade. But back to what I was saying, you know, I can't focus on, oh, I want $100. That's what I did. I put it at $100. I'm like, that's what I want, which is like right here. Let me load it up on MNQ so you can see. Where's it at? Perfect. Perfect. I had it better marked out here. So we had the break-even point right here, which is where I went break-even. Actually, when we buy in again, another drawdown little candle. But, yeah. Little bit of a drawdown like the last trade. But I get stopped out, as you can see right here. Right here, it tags me out for $100. I should have put my stop right here under this 1 minute gap. Used the gap as like a protection point where price would like essentially want to retrace back into and bounce off if it did want to continue higher. I shouldn't be focusing on a little $40, $50 extra when it comes to this. I should be focusing on the bigger picture, not the dollar amount. Get stopped out, and this is a perfect way to learn the lesson. Look what happens as soon as I get stopped out right here. Price doesn't even go a fucking tick. Like, it's not even a full fuck. It's one full fucking tick, but it's not. It's literally not shit. Like, it's not that much more under it from midnight open, and immediately runs to where my full TP would have been. It's all good. I learned my lesson. At the end of the day, I still profited, but I learned the lesson. It's really nice to see, like, even during wins, that I'm still able to learn little things. It's lovely to see, and I'm glad that, you know, I'm able to realize this shit. I'm able to realize my wrongs. I'm able to realize my faults. That's what's going to help me get better as time goes on. Price is clearing up. Price is really clearing up. And trades like this show, this was a B plus rated trade. Confluences again, SMT at the low. Equal highs above, session high above. Bullish order flow coming out of a 15-minute gap. A 5-minute gap, 1 minute inverse. I like this trade. Granted, because it was a no news Monday, I only took it on my evals. If it had been any other day, definitely would have taken this on my funded as well. But it's all good. No news Monday. Don't trade evals. That's 2 trades, back-to-back trades after recovering from those 2 L's. And I didn't take both of them on funded. Last week was, a little bit of a rough week. Just wanted to chill to end the week. And this week, no news Monday to start off the week. I just wanted to chill. I just wanted to pass on it. Wouldn't have been bad though. If I had taken it on my funded and lost, I wouldn't have been mad at it. But yeah, that's today's trade. Honestly, B-rated trade. And what's best about it is that I learned a lesson. I learned a valuable lesson. Not my version of learning this lesson was getting stopped out in profit, opposed to some people, blow accounts do it. Was not attaching myself to that dollar sign. That's what I need to realize. I need to take and execute as far as what's given to me. This 1 minute gap was given to me, which is where if I didn't want to be break even, because I already was break even, I had already taken partials. If I wanted to target all time highs because this is an eval, instead of taking a 1-to-1, just move it under the gap. Use the gap as protection. My bad for interrupting the video. I was in the shower and I was like, bro, I have a TikTok recording. Like, why didn't I throw that in there? So yeah, here goes my recording from earlier. I kind of started a little bit late, but it's close enough. So yeah, here you go. Here you go. So right about now, I'm about to show, yeah, there we go. I set my partials, 5 cons taken off at Asia, which is that gray line. And there we go. Partials at Asia high. And right here's my problem. I moved my stop to right under midnight open. You see the green line, the gray line should have been under that 1 minute gap. That would have been ideal, but stopped out for 100 plus in profit. And this was done at the library at the job. So yeah, it's not that hard. Use the order block. I believe this is order block. I still got to get better at Nick. Work on order blocks and breaker blocks. Order block, protection. Oh, no. Never mind. That's in drawdown. Fuck no. Sorry. But yeah, Nick, work on order blocks. Oh, wait. I didn't show you my new setup. Got the new setup. You see? Oh, shit. Why is this OBS up there? How the fuck do I get it up there? My little camera recording there. That's my Xbox. And here's the charts where I'm recording. But yeah. Overall, solid day. Great way to start the week. A really, really good way to start the week. Good way to follow off and feed off of last week. Let's just continue this momentum. Let's hope price stays this clear. Even like something like this, bro. This was another good trade right here. Inverse in this gap was another good trade. Price is giving more opportunities. It's clearing up. It's moving with purpose. It's moving with direction. This is the shit that I want to see. And I'm glad that I'm staying disciplined. My bad. I'm glad I stayed disciplined through all of the choppiness and the shitty fucking summer price action. I'm glad I stayed disciplined and stuck with it through all of that bullshit and learned through that, so that when prices like this and when times are like this, I can fucking feast. But yeah, that's about all I got for you today. A day where I learned the lesson, a day where I took a W. That's, can't ask for more, bro. Genuinely cannot ask for more. Again, late night. So tomorrow, I believe I'm working half a day, so I will be trading from the new setup. Finally. And yeah, that'll be for tomorrow. Oh, why my shit look like that? It looks like I'm balding right here. It looks like I'm missing a smile. But yeah, peace, love, positivity. Set and accomplish goals for yourself. Work towards every single thing that you want, because you can achieve it. It's possible, it's doable, and you will do it. And yeah, remember that. So till tomorrow, peace, love, positivity. I don't got much else to say.